All right, let's talk about that midsection. You know, the area we all want to be a bit tighter, a bit flatter. It's not just about looking good on the beach, though. A strong core is the foundation of a strong body. It's the powerhouse that supports everything you do. Think of your core muscles like the sturdy scaffolding around a magnificent building. Without that solid framework, the whole structure is compromised. And just like that building, your body needs that inner strength to function at its best. I'm talking about better posture, reduced back pain, improved balance. The list goes on. Now, I know what you're thinking. Endless sit-ups, crunches that leave you gasping for air, maybe even those contraptions they try to sell you on late-night telly. But what if I told you there's a simpler way? One move that can transform your core. No fancy gym equipment required. Forget those fleeting desires for a six-pack. This is about something much deeper, something that will genuinely transform your life from the inside out. I'm talking about unlocking a level of strength and stability you never thought possible. Imagine yourself gliding through your day with newfound energy and grace, bending down to tie your shoelaces without a groan, effortlessly picking up your little ones, feeling that inner confidence radiate outwards. That's the power of a truly strong core. And the best part? You don't need to spend hours in the gym or torture yourself with complicated routines. This one-move wonder is all you need. Intrigued? I thought so. In just a moment, I'm going to reveal this game-changing exercise. But first, let's ditch the misconception that core work has to be a chore. It's time to reframe how we approach fitness, how we connect with our bodies, and how we unlock our full potential. Are you ready to discover the secret? The path to a stronger, more sculpted you starts now. Stick around to the end of this video, and together we'll transform your core and revolutionize your well-being. Now, you might be skeptical. One move? Can it really be that simple? Well, my friends, sometimes the simplest things are the most effective. You see, it's not about how many different exercises you do, but how well you engage the right muscles. It's about quality over quantity. It's about focusing on form, control, and really connecting with your body. And that's where this one-move wonder comes in. It's designed to target all the right areas, working multiple muscle groups simultaneously for maximum impact. No more flitting from one exercise to the next, wondering if you're doing it right. This single move is your all-in-one solution, your secret weapon to unlocking that rock-solid core you've always desired. I will reveal what it is in a minute, but before I do so, I know that you find this video informative so far and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much needed, important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So, go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. Meet your new best friend, the plank. Drum roll, please. The one move that will transform your core is the plank. Yes, you heard right, the plank. It's a classic for a reason, it's simple, effective, and you can do it anywhere, anytime. Now don't let its apparent simplicity fool you. The plank is a powerhouse of an exercise, working your entire core from your deep abdominal muscles to your obliques and lower back. It's even recruiting your shoulders and glutes to keep you steady. Talk about a full body experience. But here's the thing. It's not just about holding yourself up like a plank of wood, despite the name. The key is engagement. I am talking about actively squeezing those core muscles, imagining you're pulling your belly button towards your spine. That's where the magic happens. Now, you might be thinking, I've tried planks before, and they're easy. But are you sure you were doing them right? Were you truly engaging your core, or were you just hanging out, letting your lower back take the strain? Here's the thing about the plank. It's a deceptively challenging exercise. Done correctly, even a few seconds can have you feeling the burn. And that's what we want. We want to challenge those muscles, push them to their limits so they grow back stronger and more resilient. So are you ready to unlock the true power of the plank? To sculpt your core, improve your posture, and feel that incredible surge of strength radiating from within? Stick around and keep watching, because I'll break down the plank step by step, ensuring you master the form and reap all the amazing benefits. Get ready to transform your body, one plank at a time. All right, let's get down to business and build that plank like a proper craftsman. First things first, find yourself a bit of floor space. No need for fancy mats or equipment, just a solid surface where you've got room to stretch out. Now get down on all fours like you're about to do a push-up, hands shoulder-width apart, fingers spread wide, gripping the floor for stability. Now, here's the crucial bit. Imagine you're trying to push the floor away from you. Feel those shoulder blades drawing together, engaging those back muscles. We're building a strong foundation here, just like laying the first bricks of a sturdy wall. This is where it all begins, so pay attention to these details. Remember, proper form is key to unlocking the full potential of the plank. Now, here's where we activate that core strength, the powerhouse that's going to transform your midsection. From that on-all-fours position, slowly step your feet back one at a time until your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Imagine a steel rod running through your spine, keeping you rigid and strong. Don't let those hips sag towards the floor, and resist the urge to stick your bum up in the air. We want a straight, powerful line, engaging every muscle along the way. Now brace your core as if you're about to be punched in the gut. This is where the magic happens. Feel those deep abdominal muscles firing up, those obliques tightening, and your entire midsection working in perfect harmony. Perfecting the plank. This is where the real work begins. Now, this isn't about gritting your teeth and enduring the pain. It's about finding that sweet spot where you're challenged but in control. Remember, quality over quantity, always. Keep your gaze slightly ahead of your hands, keeping your neck in line with your spine. No drooping heads here. And breathe. It's easy to forget to breathe when you're concentrating, but those deep, controlled breaths will fuel your muscles and keep you going. If you're new to this, aim for 20 seconds, then gradually increase your hold time as you get stronger. Remember, even a few seconds, done correctly, is better than a minute of sloppy form. Consistency is key. Listen to your body. Now, listen up, because this is important. If you feel any sharp pain, stop immediately. We're aiming for a challenging burn, not a trip to the physio. Remember, you're in control. Modify the exercise if needed. Try dropping to your knees or doing a wall plank. The beauty of the plank is that it can be adapted to suit any fitness level. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, there's a plank variation for you. And the best part? You'll see and feel the difference it makes in no time. So there you have it. The plank, your one-move wonder to a stronger, more sculpted core. Master this exercise and you'll be well on your way to unlocking a level of strength and stability you never thought possible. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with it and you'll be amazed by the transformation. Stay tuned for the next part, where we'll delve deeper into the incredible benefits of a rock-solid core. Let's get under the bonnet and have a look at the engine this plank is firing up. I'm talking about those deep core muscles, the unsung heroes of a strong and healthy body. You see, it's not just about those six-pack abs you see in the magazines. I am talking about a complex system of muscles working together to support your spine, stabilize your movements, and give you that powerful core strength that impacts everything you do. Think of it like the foundations of a house, invisible but essential for keeping everything upright and stable. The plank, my friends, is like a workout for your entire midsection. It engages the rectus abdominis, those muscles that run down the front of your belly, giving you that flat, toned look. But it goes much deeper than that. Now, here's where the plank really shines. It targets a muscle you can't even see, the transverse abdominis. This deep core muscle acts like a natural corset, wrapping around your torso and stabilizing your entire midsection. It's the muscle that helps you stand tall with good posture, and it's crucial for preventing back pain. The plank is like a supercharger for this often neglected muscle. When you hold that plank position, squeezing your belly button towards your spine, you're directly engaging and strengthening this deep core powerhouse. The result? A stronger, more resilient core that protects your back, improves your posture, and gives you that solid foundation for all your movements. And remember, a strong core means a stronger you, inside and out. But the plank's benefits don't stop there. This one move also targets your obliques, those muscles running along the sides of your abdomen. These muscles are essential for rotational movements like swinging a golf club or simply turning to look over your shoulder. Strong obliques not only improve your athletic performance but also help prevent injuries and improve your overall stability. And the plank, with its emphasis on maintaining a straight, rigid body line, works those obliques like no other exercise can. It's about engaging those muscles isometrically, holding them in a static contraction that builds strength and endurance. So while you might not be moving much on the outside, inside, your core muscles are firing on all cylinders, getting stronger and more resilient with every passing second. It's like building a fortress of strength from the inside out. But here's the thing about the plank. It doesn't just work your core in isolation. Oh no, this one move has a ripple effect, engaging muscles throughout your entire body. Think about it. To hold that plank position, you need strong shoulders to support your upper body. You need engaged glutes to keep your hips from sagging. You even need active leg muscles to maintain that straight line from head to heels. It's a full-body workout disguised as a simple static hold, and that's the beauty of it. By strengthening your core, you're creating a chain reaction of strength that radiates outwards, improving your posture, balance, and overall athleticism. The plank isn't just an abdominal exercise, it's a full-body transformation in one simple move. Now, while a flatter stomach might be a welcome side effect, the benefits of a strong core go far beyond the aesthetics. I am talking about a whole new level of physical freedom and confidence in your everyday life. Remember those everyday activities that used to cause a groan or a twinge in your back? Bending down to tie your shoelaces, reaching up for that high shelf, even just standing for long periods, all these movements rely on a strong and stable core. With a rock-solid midsection, you'll sail through these tasks with newfound ease and grace. No more wincing, no more stiffness, just effortless movement and a newfound spring in your step. And that, my friends, is priceless. Now, you might not be a professional athlete, but that doesn't mean you can't move with the same power and agility. A strong core is the secret weapon of athletes across all disciplines, from runners to footballers to tennis players. It's the powerhouse that drives every swing, every stride, every powerful movement. A strong core translates to more power, better balance, and greater control over your body, no matter what activity you're passionate about. Imagine yourself gliding across the tennis court, effortlessly returning every shot. Picture yourself powering up those hills on your bike, feeling the strength radiating from your core. That's the power of a well-conditioned midsection. It unlocks a whole new level of athleticism you never knew you had. Now let's talk about the secret ingredient, the magic dust that transforms good intentions into tangible results. You guessed it, it's consistency. You see, building a strong core isn't about one-off bursts of effort. It's about weaving this one-move wonder into the fabric of your life. Just like brushing your teeth or having a cup of tea in the morning, the plank should become a non-negotiable part of your routine. Don't overthink it, just find a time that works for you and make it happen. Maybe it's first thing in the morning to set you up for the day, or perhaps it's that little pocket of time before dinner. The key is to make it sustainable, something you can stick with without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, even a few minutes each day will make a world of difference in the long run. It's about building those small, consistent habits that compound over time, leading to remarkable results. Now I know what you're thinking. You make it sound easy, but staying motivated is half the battle. And you're right, motivation can be a fickle friend. But here's the thing, motivation often follows action. Just start. Don't wait for that burst of inspiration to strike. It might never come. Instead, lace up those trainers, or don't, because you don't need them for this. Find a bit of floor space and get planking. Once you start feeling those muscles working, once you start noticing those small changes in your body, the motivation will follow, I promise. And here's another trick. Find yourself an accountability buddy, someone to share the journey with. Maybe it's your significant other, your mate down at the pub, or even your furry companion cheering you on, though they might not be much help with the planking. Having someone to share the ups and downs, to celebrate those small victories, can make all the difference. A stronger you, one plank at a time. The plank, it's not just an exercise, it's a commitment to a stronger, healthier, more resilient you. It's about unlocking the hidden powerhouse within, that core strength that will transform your body and your life in ways you never thought possible. Remember, it's not about being perfect or having a six-pack, though those might be happy byproducts. It's about showing up for yourself, day after day, and putting in the work. It's about believing in your own strength, even when it feels challenging. And I know you can do it. I've seen it time and time again, the transformative power of this one simple move. So get out there, embrace the plank, and unlock the incredible potential that lies within you. I'll be right here cheering you on every step of the way. Now go make yourself proud. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. But until my next video, click on the playlist that is displayed at the end of this video for more informational and educational videos like this. Also, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.